Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. I just got done doing this summer bright green little mini tutorial of my eyes. And stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome. So I did my eyebrows and my face routine off camera because today I just want to focus on my eyes. I already know that you guys know how to do your foundation routine. If anything, you guys can go check my tutorial that I did with my foundation. But anywho, let's begin with this eye makeup look. So today I want to go a little bright. So let's see what color we're going to use. I have this new palette from BH Cosmetic. Has beautiful colors in here. Thinking I'm going to be using a little bit of lime green and browns. And I'm feeling a little colorful because it's summertime, so why not be bright? First, I'm going to prime my eyelid. So I'm going to use my concealer. I'm going to use Tarte, and this is in shade Light Medium Honey. So I'm going to put that all in my lid. Blend that out. Alright, now we begin with our eyes. I'm going to take this color right here, and that's Cocoa. And we're going to put that in our crease. Then I'll do it in the other eye. Tap. That's going to be the base. Then I'm going to grab this little orangey peach color and I'm going to place it on top. Place it on top. This is a pretty color. It's like a pinkish peach color. And we're going to bring it out. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other eye. Now we're going to grab this orangey color and we're going to put it in our crease area. With a circular motion right here on the corner. Do the same thing on this eye. See that? This palette don't have the brown color that I'm looking for, so I want to get a darker brown. I'm going to use Color Rain. I'm going to use the brown one, and I'm going to place that right here on the corner. Just when we cut that crease, it'll have a little dimension. Don't worry guys, we're going to blend all this out. I'm trying to have like a smoky effect. Then we'll grab a blending brush and we're just gonna blend all the harsh lines really softly. Just on top and a little bit on the corner, and then we'll do the same thing on the other eye. Blend it really soft. And bring it out, feather it out. because the main color that I want to pop is going to be that lime green. But I think I want a little bit more orangey color in there, right here on the corner, the outer corner. To blend that orange color just a little tiny bit. Now we're going to cut the crease. We're going to do a half cut crease. I'm going to use my Maybelline Stay Matte to cut the crease. I'm just going to put this right here. The easy way to cut your crease is just place this and then look up, and that's how you know where to cut it. I'm going to set that concealer with a setting powder just so it won't crease up. The brown color right here, and I'm going to place it on my outer corner. Then we grab that orange color again. And then blend it out. Grab that brown. Spray this flat brush, and then I'm going to put the lime green where I cut the crease, and we're just going to place it because I want all the pigment that I can get on my eyelid. Wow, that's intense. Then I grab that brown again and just blend it together with the green. I'm gonna go do the other eye. Now I'm gonna do the other eyes. I'm gonna cut the crease and do that. Grab that brown. Grab that orange. Spray it and now place it on my eyelid. good amount of pigment. Smoke that brown right in the center. This is good. So what I'm gonna do, just to give it a little oomph, I'm going to put a little gold glitter on top of my crease, just halfway. Just gonna go here. Guys, this is so pretty. If you guys know me, you guys know that I love glitter. I love glitter. And we're gonna put it on the other eye. Thicker. I want you guys to be able to see it. Now I'm going to put some lashes and some black mascara, maybe a wing liner, and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back. So I did my lashes off camera. So I'm going to finish my under eyes. I think I'm going to put, let's put green underneath. I'm going to smoke it out and put green. A little bit of green and a little bit of brown. And then I'm gonna grab that brown, push that off. And then I'm gonna put some mascara for my under lashes. I'm going to use my Grande Drama. And put mascara underneath my lashes just so I can look more awake. I'm gonna put this little cream color on my waterline. Right here. See that? So it can wake me up. All right, I think that looks great. Now I'm gonna put lip color. I'm gonna put a little bit of brown on here. So I'm gonna use Tarte Lip Paint. I think I wanna put a little bit of, I don't know, let's put a little bit of pink in this lip to brighten it up. The dark brown looks cute, but not for the summer. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit of blush. So I'm gonna just use this little pink color right here and just make it a little brighter. I'm going to use the same palette and I'm gonna highlight my nose and my forehead and everything else. Wow, do you see that? That's a glow. I am loving that glow. Put it over here. Put it a little bit on the forehead because, ooh, I put too much. I like putting a little bit on the forehead because that's where the sun naturally hits. Good, and I like to put a little bit on my nose. I'm starting to put a liner right there. And just put a little bit on my lip. I'm gonna use my Make It Dewy from Milani. Spray that all in my face. And I am all done. What do you guys think of the look, the eye look? Nice green with a little bit of orange, brown, a little bit of the glitter, the gold glitter. I think it looks beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy look. And if you guys love this, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, bye-bye.